Lovely internet. It is a perfect gloomy day right now, and I thought, let's jump on the Tenere, go for a little spin around the neighborhood, get a coffee, get some work done, and yeah, enjoy this beautiful LA day. This is a perfect day to go riding in California. Anyway, the bike, it was looking really dirty, so I cleaned it up the other day, and I gotta say I'm pretty happy with the results right now. So oh man, just this black. Someone asked me the other day with the Tenere too. They're like, mate, what wrap job is that? And I said, no, it's not a wrap job. It's a I just lost my thought. Every time I see a moto cop, I'm like, is he gonna come over and talk? It's not a wrap job, it's a stock paint from 22. I think they just nailed it that year with that color. Alright guys, let's go for a little spin. See what's popping off in Venice, California right now. Malinois, nice. I got a Malinois. Little psychopaths, sweetest things in the world, unless they want to get you, and then they're total opposite of that. Yeah. This is Venice's most popular street right here for like shops and stuff. Abbot Kinney. It is pretty cool street, typical like California, Los Angeles street. And you know, I kind of want to say this is probably one of like the nicest streets in LA in terms of just like going for a walk, grabbing a coffee or a drink, something to eat. It's a nice one. It really has that good feel. And you know, it's not too trashy. You know, LA has just become a little bit nasty over the years, so yeah. This is actually stayed pretty good, pretty clean. You know what? We'll take a little spin to the right, give you guys a little backside of Venice. Some neighborhood feel. Nice. You see so many cool cars. Just old sports cars with them. I don't know about that, but the Venice roundabout. There's your famous Venice sign and all that stuff that way. We will not be going over there though. I actually do need to go by this gas station to get air in the tires, so we'll head over there. doing? It's not a walkway. Alright, let's get some air.
2,000 years later.
Man, the bike feels so much better with proper air in the tires. Like, whoo, sharpness. On to coffee. Oh man, the quick shifter is so smooth on the Tenere too. But one thing like I kind of miss after driving the Husky now all the time is the blipper going down. It's not like that huge of a difference, but once you become so used to it, it is something when you have to actually, like, you know, rev match again the engine. I don't mind at all, but yeah, it is a difference. I keep thinking, where did that bike cop go? Sometimes they just hang out in these little streets right here, because this avenue is quite long, so people tend to like pick up speed, and it's not that fast here anyway. So, oh my god, we got a green light. Can we make it? We're gonna go for it. Alright. Indian with the Indian paint job. I wonder if that came stock. Alright. Moto parking only. God, I love this bike. It's just awesome. Alright guys, let's grab a coffee, do some stuff, do some work.